We spend so much time and money chasing a healthy skin, moisturizers, serums, routines. But tell me this, would you knowingly rub fossil fuels on your face? Because chances are you already do. That radiant glow you get after moisturizing, it often comes from very long-chain fatty acids. These are molecules that keep your skin soft, smooth, and protected from the outside world. But there's a problem. Most of those molecules are made from petroleum. Yes, the same stuff driving climate change is also hiding in your beauty jar. So, if we want to protect not only our skin, but also our planet, we need a more durable alternative. Meet myBacteria. These tiny creatures already know how to make very long-chain fatty acids. It's in their DNA. But naturally, they're not very good at it. It's like having the recipe, but not enough chefs in the kitchen. And that's where I come in. By changing just a few letters in their genetic code, I can boost their efficiency, helping them make more of the fatty acids we want and less of the stuff we don't. I turn them into tiny biofactories that run faster, cleaner, and more sustainably. So, what fuels these tiny factories? Not expensive lab chemicals, but everyday waste, like old cooking oil. It's messy, yes, but it contains exactly the right ingredients to start the fatty acid production process. DNA is just part of the story. To get the best out of my bacteria, I also need to fine-tune their environment, adjusting things like pH and temperature to get them working at full power. My goal is simple. I want to create a clean, scalable process that transforms waste, like used cooking oil, into the building blocks of, among others, skincare, replacing the need for fossil fuels. From greasy leftovers to glowing skin. Because yes, waste can fuel beauty.